Welcome to the Simplified Uplifters Marriage Mastery Podcast, where we focus on self awareness, emotional healing, and building stronger relationships, starting with you. Today, we're talking about self trust, not confidence, not motivation, but the quiet ability to believe your own inner signals again, especially after disappointment, burnout, or emotional exhaustion. Because when you stop trusting yourself, every decision feels heavy. Let's begin. What self-trust really is. Self-trust isn't believing you'll never make mistakes. It's believing you can handle yourself when you do. Many people lose self-trust after staying too long, ignoring intuition, overriding their needs, betraying themselves to keep peace. The damage isn't the mistake. The damage is learning to doubt yourself afterward. So how does self-trust get broken? Self-trust erodes when you silence your instincts, you explain away discomfort, you choose familiarity over health. You don't wake up one day without self-trust. You slowly abandon yourself, one compromise at a time, and eventually your body stops offering clear signals. Let's see how this works with Simone and Caleb, trusting self versus protecting self. Simone once trusted her intuition, but learned to question it. She learned that clarity often led to conflict. Caleb once trusted his gut, but learned to suppress it. He learned that speaking up created tension. Different paths, same result. They stopped trusting themselves and started managing outcomes instead. This is how people lose self-trust, not through trauma alone, but through adaptation. What are signs you don't trust yourself yet? Lack of self-trust shows up as overprocessing decisions, needing reassurance, constantly avoiding choices altogether, second-guessing emotional responses. Self-trust doesn't mean certainty, it means alignment. Today, we will begin rebuilding self-trust in real time. Self-trust is rebuilt through keeping small promises to yourself, listening to discomfort without dismissing it, choosing rest without justification, saying no without rehearsing reasons. Simone learns to pause before overfunctioning. Caleb learns to speak before resentment builds. This is self-love with integrity. In closing, self-trust isn't about being right. It's about being honest with yourself again. And when you trust yourself, life gets lighter. And most important, remember, you are extraordinary.